Hanwha Aerospace HOMAR K, Poland's smart and powerful rocket launcher. The HOMAR K is Poland's upgraded version of South Korea's Chunmoo K-239 rocket launcher system. It's built to be flexible for different combat situations and can carry two rocket containers that can be loaded with a variety of munitions. For lighter missions, it can launch 130mm unguided K-33 rockets, but when serious firepower is needed, it can unleash 239mm rockets capable of causing massive damage. What makes the HOMAR K special is its ability to handle multiple battlefield roles. It's not just effective against ground targets, like bunkers or enemy troops, but it can also defend against enemy ships, giving it both land and sea capabilities. With a powerful range of up to 80 kilometers, it can strike targets far away, keeping operators safe from return fire. Hazet Turbo Blowgun, compact yet super powerful. The Hazet Turbo Blowgun is the perfect cleaning tool for anyone who wants serious power in a small package. Whether your bike rims are coated in mud, your car needs a quick detail, or your carpet and air filters need a blast of air, this compact tool can handle it all. Weighing just 160 grams, it's incredibly lightweight, but don't let that fool you. It packs a punch with a maximum working pressure of 12 bar. It's specially designed to work best with a 10mm hose diameter, making it compatible with a wide range of air compressors. That means whether you're in your garage, workshop, or out in the field, you've got the right tool to get the job done fast. From cleaning hard-to-reach corners to blasting away debris from machinery, this tool adds convenience and efficiency to your routine. The best part? It's priced at just $43, making it an affordable upgrade for your cleaning kit. Hideaway Jacket. The Hideaway Jacket is a smart and lightweight solution for staying protected from wind and light rain without the hassle of carrying a bulky coat. Designed to be ultra-portable, this jacket folds down into a tiny pouch, so small and light it weighs less than a can of soda. You can clip it to your backpack or even carry it in your pocket without noticing it's there. But don't let its size fool you. Made from multiple thin layers of protective fabric, it keeps you safe from wind and moisture when the weather turns bad. What's really cool is its built-in warming feature. The jacket has special pockets where you can stuff natural insulators like leaves, paper, or cloth to add warmth in cold situations, perfect for outdoor adventures or emergencies. Whether you're hiking, biking, or just out for a walk, the Hideaway Jacket makes sure you're always ready for a sudden change in weather. It's stylish, functional. Jaw batteries. Imagine batteries that come to life with just a splash of water. Meet Jaw batteries, a smart and powerful innovation, perfect for survivalists, campers, or anyone who wants a reliable backup in emergencies. These unique AA batteries activate instantly with any liquid: water, soda, juice, milk, and yes, even urine in extreme situations. Within just 1 minute, they're fully charged and ready to power your flashlights, radios, or any other essential devices. No need for electricity, cables, or chargers. They're perfect for off-grid adventures or emergency kits. Best of all, Jaw batteries are non-toxic, leak-proof, and contain no harmful chemicals, making them completely safe for you and the environment. These batteries were launched through Indiegogo and quickly grabbed attention for their smart design and life-saving potential. Lightweight and easy to carry, they ensure you're never left in the dark. K10 Hiking Crampons. The K10 hiking crampons are the perfect upgrade for anyone who enjoys winter hiking or trekking in icy conditions. Built for both beginners and experienced hikers, these crampons make walking on snow and ice much safer and easier. They feature 10 strong 2-centimeter steel spikes that give your shoes a firm grip on slippery surfaces, helping you stay stable and confident wherever you go. Putting them on is quick and hassle-free thanks to a simple 2-strap buckle system. They also come with live spring flex technology, which allows the crampons to flex naturally with your foot, making each step more comfortable. Designed to be self-cleaning, these crampons prevent snow or mud from getting stuck between the spikes, so you don't have to stop and clean them often. Whether you're walking on a snowy trail, hiking up a mountain, or crossing frozen ground, these crampons are tough, reliable, and built to perform. Kinetic Series Spears. Inspired by legendary movie weapons, the Kinetic Series Spears from Buck Knives are a dream come true for collectors, survivalists, and knife fans. If you've ever watched the Scream movies, you'll recognize the Buck 120 used by the masked villain. In 2016, Buck Knives took that energy and created something unique, a series of spear tips designed not just for looks, but for real-life use. One of the most popular models, the 071, is 231 millimeters long and weighs just 164 grams. Its slightly tapered back lets you easily attach it to a wooden or metal shaft, turning it into a full spear in minutes. Built with Buck's reputation for toughness and quality, this spear tip is ideal for outdoor adventures, hunting, or even adding a cool piece to your collection. Klein Tools Power Hub. Bright light meets powerful charging. The Klein Tools Power Hub is a smart all-in-one device that combines bright lighting with powerful charging capabilities, making it a must-have for job sites, garages, or outdoor projects. It features an incredibly bright 5,000 lumen light, more than 5 times brighter than a standard 75-watt bulb, so you'll never struggle with poor visibility while working again. But the Power Hub doesn't stop there. It also acts as a full power station with 6 120-volt outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports. That means you can plug in your tools, charge your phone, and power other devices, all at the same time. It's perfect for keeping your workflow smooth without the need for extra extension cords or chargers. For added convenience, the Power Hub includes a built-in mount that neatly holds up to 15 meters of power cable. KUU Pro G3 Bino Harness. The KUU Pro G3 Bino Harness is the perfect gear for anyone who loves exploring the outdoors with a pair of binoculars. Whether you're hunting, hiking, or birdwatching, this harness keeps your binoculars safe, dry, and easy to reach. It comes in multiple sizes to fit everything from small to large binoculars. One of its best features is the advanced strap and patented rail lock system, which lets you easily attach extra accessories like rangefinders or lens cleaners. Made with a soft-shell waterproof fabric, it's designed to stay quiet so you don't scare off wildlife. Plus, the lid opens smoothly with just one hand, making it super easy to use on the go. The design is thoughtful and practical. No annoying noises, no complicated setups, just a solid, comfortable harness that does its job right. It's also lightweight, durable, and built to handle rough outdoor conditions. Light Eye Skywall Auto, smart defense against drones. The Light Eye Skywall Auto is a powerful and intelligent system made to catch unwanted drones safely. It was even used to protect world leaders during the 2022 G7 summit, which shows how reliable it is. This system tracks drones using smart AI technology. Once it locks onto a target, it launches a special projectile that throws a net to catch the drone midair. If needed, it can also deploy a parachute to bring the drone down gently without breaking it. Perfect if the drone needs to be checked or recovered. Skywall Auto can target drones flying up to 43 kilometers per hour and works both from the ground or mounted on a moving vehicle. It's designed to be easy to operate, and amazingly, just one person can control the whole thing. This makes it a great option for military use, police, or security teams at major events. Milwaukee M12 Stick Transfer Pump. Easy water removal anytime, anywhere. The Milwaukee M12 Stick Transfer Pump is a compact and powerful tool made for fast and easy water removal. Whether you're a homeowner dealing with a small flood, a construction worker clearing a trench, or part of an emergency team, this pump gets the job done quickly. It runs on a single M12 battery and can move up to 1,050 liters of water per charge at a speed of 34 liters per minute. It can even lift water up to 4.5 meters high, which is great for pumping out deep spaces. One of its best features is its built-in filter system, which allows it to handle dirty water from places like storm drains and flooded basements without clogging. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and works with a regular garden hose, so setup takes just seconds.